Hey folks, welcome back to Carl's Place. I am Carl, and I was not supposed to do a video today, but I'm so psyched I had to do one because today I received my first mystery box, and I'm dying to open it. So I just had to do a video and get it over with and share this with you and see what's in this. So stay with me, and we'll have the unveiling. Alrighty, so we're gonna do the unveiling for my very first mystery box. I'm so excited. I have no idea what's in here. It literally could be anything. For those of you who have watched mystery box videos before, you know what this is all about. Now, for those of you who haven't, what it is a mystery box is something you buy from a company, and they put stuff in it for a certain tiered price and they send it to you, and you have no idea what's in it. Now you can buy themed mystery boxes, like for jewelry. You contact a company that sells jewelry and pay a price, and they'll send you a box full of jewelry. You have no idea what that jewelry is, though. You can do it for that. You can do it for clothing, for shoes. They have all different kinds, but they also have the what I would call the full mystery boxes. It doesn't give any kind of theme. This could be anything in here. It could be full of I don't know, hair products. So what I'm gonna do, well, actually, first before I get into this, this one I've been waiting for a month. I got it from a place called Discount Headquarters, and they have mystery boxes, but they don't have them year round. And I'm not advocating for the company. I'm just this just happens to be the one I bought it from. They don't have it year round. They have it during what they call their flash sale, which is only certain times of the year. So that's why it takes so long to get mystery boxes sometimes, because they don't always offer them. And what they generally are, from what I understand, is like this particular company buys huge pallets of products and this was supposed to be from Amazon and Walmart and Target, all items that were bought but not ever picked up and or returned that were never opened. So they have pallets and pallets and pallets of this stuff. They just walk around and they put stuff in a box and they send it to you. Now the tier that I bought was $15 and then $10 shipping, so a total of $25. And is there should be 5 to 7 items in here. It's smaller than I anticipated. Of course, it's only $15, but delusions of grandeur. I was expecting something this big where I'd have to peek over. But maybe in the future I'll get a bigger box someday, somewhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the box. I'm not going to look in it. I'm just going to start reaching in and pulling stuff out and see what we have. And then once I know what everything that's in it, I'm going to go online. I'm going to check the retail prices for it to see if I got a deal or if I screwed the pooch. So let's get started. This is way more exciting than I expected. So I have the Carl cutter. Now, also, I forgot to tell you this too. They used to have it. I don't know if that's how these started, but they used to have mystery boxes that you got from strangers. So I don't think I would ever do something like that because that's just weird. I would be afraid of getting like a box full of used socks, or even worse, a box full of used socks with feet still in them. So I'm not into that. So I'll stick with the known companies and whatnot for my mystery boxes in the future. So let's get started. I mean, it is fairly heavy for a small box, so that's cool. Come on. Okay, I'm not even gonna look. Well, nothing exploded, so I can peripherally see stuff, and I'm trying not to. I don't know what it is, but I see things. So let's. It's a return slip just in case, I suppose. It's packing list. I don't want to look at that. But I always wanted one. I have a combination of, there's plastic packages and little boxes. So let's take out this. What on earth is this? I don't know what this is. It's a picture of a man surfing, so that's not all that bad. What the heck? Oh, I think I know what this is. That's why it's a guy surfing. Oh, that's cool. They're little protection pouches. So you put your valuables in here and things that you don't want to get wet if you're surfing or whatnot, and you put them around your neck. Oh, that's cool. I like that. I don't surf, but I go around like water. I don't go in the water, but hey, there are people I know that swim. A couple of fish. So that's cool. I'm excited. So, I don't know, something like this would probably be at least $10, I would think. Alright, just put this back in here. Come on. Alright, so that's item number 1. Let's try a little box this time. So we're up to 2. No idea. It's a mystery box within a mystery box. I didn't expect this. Let's go ahead and open it. I like little packages. Big things come in small packages. I know what this is. They're little tea lights. Oh my God, does it turn on? No, they don't supply the batteries. So I'll see if I can turn them on, but that's the second one, which I'll probably use. Hey, maybe I'll put them up in the kitchen. Use it part of my background. Okay, let's go for a package. Is that one? Cloth face masks. Hey. Oh, nice. They're actually looking out for our well-being. Oh, wow. Wow. That's a lot of face masks. Holy shit. Oh, wow. And they're the full cover ones with the little bendy nose thing. Oh, look at that. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them, and they're really good quality. Nice, good cloth, heavy, good elastic. I'm impressed. Different colors. Look at that. Oh, red. Can match your outfits. Hey, I should have this one on. Happy. I mean, even this could be a good, at least $10. So that's the third. How many more boxes we got? Let's do. It's the same thing. Okay. I have a KF94 Lively Dust Mask. for those days of dust. Oh, wow. It's basically a cheap version of these. So this one's just a little smaller, not made out of cloth, but you know, I guess for dusting apparently. Because well, if these don't, if these can stop germs, I should think that they would stop dust too. So it's okay. I will give my lively dust masks away to someone. Okay, what else we got? So we got 104. So it feels like there's 6 total. There's one more package and a decent sized box. So let's go with the package.
Huh?
I have, it looks like for, oops, a video game controller. Yeah, I have no idea what you would use this for. I don't know what it is. And it's all rubber and stuff, and it's shaped like a controller, so I don't, but it doesn't look like it would fit on a controller, so I have no idea what this is. Oh, I know what it is. It's for people that are addicted to video games that are trying to stop and they have nothing to do with their spare time. Because see, it has all these pop things. It's something to do with your hands. It's got to be. If I'm wrong, let me know because I can't think of what else this would be for. Everything has a little bubble. So, yeah, I don't think I'll be needing this, but I have a nephew who maybe should, get on rehab for video games. So, I don't know. Maybe he knows what it is. I'll ask him. All right, and final is a box. And that is it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 total. So not bad. Between 5 and 7, they really fell in the middle. This is kind of heavy. Apparently, they were really into lights and masks. Look at the size of this. It's more lights. But these are kind of cool. I don't know if you can see the. I'm gonna see if I can track down some batteries. Oh, it even comes with a controller, so it does stuff. Bexdare. I bet you that just this alone is probably $25. Has a controller thing that you can do different things to it. So I'm gonna get some batteries and whatnot and give them a try. I'll be back. Okay, this is the small set of lights. I don't know if you see them. So they come in. You can click on it, and they come in different colors. White, green, red. Oh, that's cool. Blue and purple. Green. Let's do that. And then it does different, looks like it does different kinds of flashing. Individuals. Ooh, got the fast flash. That's cool. I like it. I'm happy. How do you shut it off? Nope. Yeah. Cool. I actually do like that. I have to say, I like little gadgets. Some others call them junk, but I don't. And this is the really, really, really large set. Really large. This could like go over the whole room. There's a lot of lights here. I'm not going to do the whole thing. I'm just going to wrap it around a little bit and see what it does. Comes on a little remote control and everything. So I'm gonna guess and say this was at least $25. So I'm not even gonna look up the retail prices for all this stuff because it was more than I spent. So between the masks and the little pouches and the lights and the dust masks, I'm happy. So let's go ahead and see what this does. Ooh. Oh, let's see, it gets brighter. It has different settings. Oh. Ooh. Let's twinkle. That must be marquee. Ooh, disco party. Jeez, strobe lights. I could have fun with this for hours. That one didn't change. Okay. Ooh. Oh, slow fade out, fade in, different lights. Ooh, like E.T.'s heart. What's this one do? Oh, that's just stationary, doesn't change. And it's, I have to say, that's pretty cool. And it's huge, huge. And it actually doesn't take batteries. It's a plug-in. So I wish it changed colors though. That would have been cool. But go back with the disco. Okay, folks. That's it. I have to say I'm pretty sure I got more than $25 worth of merchandise here. Got to find out what the hell this is. I have no idea. I'm pretty sure it's a stress thing, but who knows? Yes, the face masks I will use, or when we have another pandemic, the lights I'll use, and yeah, I'm happy. So if you like today's video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you did subscribe, don't forget to hit or as the young ones say, smash the notification button. But smash seems a little too hard, so you can gently touch the notification button so you don't miss any future Carl's Place videos. Thanks for joining, guys. Have a great day.